Hello and welcome to today's episode of T-Sarp. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today is our 139th episode, and our co-hosts are Sam and Steven.
We're so close to 140. Also, hi, Andrew and Sam.
Yay! Hi, Andrew.
Hello.
And Steven.
This is the first time you guys are saying hi to me. It's always hi Sam, hi Steven. I feel left out. Not today, though.
Wow. Sorry, Andrew.
Wow.
So, today Steven's gonna kick off our topics.
Hi, guys. I'd like to talk to you today about many topics. One of them being the new update for the Python IDE editor. This allows you to use SQL files or .sql, whatever you like to say, in the editor, and you won't have to use like an external or extra um file viewer. So makes my life so much easier.
Yeah, actually, I had to do that like about, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago. I was doing a project with SQL in the Python 3 editor, and I noticed you couldn't view the files, so I had to download them, and I ended up using like an online viewer. I just uploaded it. I don't know if there was a better way back then, but now there is. You can just look at them right in the editor, so that's pretty cool. Also,
Yeah.
today we got everyone in out brackets, Steven, Sam, me, the other Hotbog kids, the Mineola kids, the Belmore Merritt kids. We all got let in to CCDU, and we got to view the Code Conquest, kind of preview of the map, right? Because they don't let you see the whole map like right away. They give you that little preview and pending, and you get to see like the full thing. So if you want a photo of that, I will put a link to it in the description. It's not going to be that high quality just because it's a smaller version, they don't want it to be that high quality. Yeah, Steven.
So something weird I noticed. We did not request to join CCEDU, even though we are still in, and we didn't get a notification because I think when you request, the back end is all like, "Oh, this person requested, so we should tell them that they're in now." You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that is actually interesting. I don't know why. That is a good theory, Steven. Yeah, so we didn't even get a notification. We didn't even request. I just happened to be not in class, definitely not, and I went to CCDU to like see if there was like anything, and I just went straight into the community, and I didn't join. It didn't say enter. I just was on the wall, and I'm like, that's weird. But yeah, so we're all in. So yeah, I guess that's just kind of how it works. If you don't request, they can still put you in, and you just end up not getting a notification.
Yeah.
So, on other Out Brackets news, today I saw some people making games in Hopog. I don't know what people are doing in the other schools, Mineola or Belmore Merrick, because we don't go there. But I did hear some people like, oh, what are you doing? Oh, I'm working on Sprite Editor. Oh, I'm working on Hatch. Oh, that's cool. And I just heard a lot of people talking about that. So that's cool to see, and hear that people are kind of like excited and there's a lot of people talking about it. Um, also, yesterday, we didn't talk about it yesterday because I kind of forgot, but now there's more news on it. So yesterday, Mr. Ferrara in the Hopog Middle School community released a new challenge called Eric, or technically Hatch Eric, the challenge. Yeah. And it's actually a kind of funny badge because it's got a ton of different Erics in it. And there's SpongeBob Eric, Patrick Eric, Hulk Eric, Mermaid Eric. Yes.
I think that's supposed to be Ariel.
Yes.
Maybe. Yeah.
So it's basically the whole challenge is you got to make Eric into a celebrity, a superhero, a character, anything. So there was a lot. I believe 11 people already have the badge, including Sam and Steven. Sam, you made Devrick, which is just Dev as Eric, and that was really awesome. Mr. Farrar sent it over to Dev, and he loved it. So yeah, it is really cool. And Steven, what do you call yours? Yours is Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah, but I call it Queen Eric Beth II.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, there was 11 made today, and just today, and yesterday, so we'll probably be seeing a lot. I haven't made one yet. I don't know if I will. I mean, the badge looks cool. I don't really have a lot of inspiration. I was joking, I'm gonna make myself as Eric. I don't even know what I would do. Maybe we should get T-Sarb merch, and then
Yeah.
if there were T-Sarb merch, shirts, we could just put Eric in a T-Sarb shirt, maybe a T-Sarb hat, maybe holding some Kidoyo stickers with a computer, a laptop. That would just be me, right there.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I might make one soon. I don't really know. I don't have any good ideas besides that. So also, hopefully we will be let into the full Outbrackets map soon. I know that Mr. Ferrara, I thought he gave the go-ahead, though we haven't been let in yet. But soon, maybe not tomorrow, tomorrow's Saturday, maybe Monday, probably Monday, or sometime after that, we'll all be able to go into the map when it's in the active tab and submit our projects. The deadline is June 8th. I don't really think there's going to be any exception to that. If you don't have it in, like, pretty soon, like, before June 8th or, like, the morning of, I don't know if they're even going to count it.
I doubt it, yeah.
But yeah, so definitely get it in. You can also submit it ahead of time and then just keep working on it. I don't think they're going to judge it until the end of the deadline, so you shouldn't really have a problem there. So yeah, it kind of reminds me of how we all have to submit our CDPs, right? There's a deadline, and you're trying to work on it right up until the deadline, and then you submit it like minutes before the deadline. It's gonna be like that.
I always do that.
Yeah, and actually, that gives me a thought, and I think Dev said it. I saw him say it in the Code Conquest, and that's kind of what made me think about it more. But like, CDPs are just like game jams before the real hackathon. There's one theme that you all have to make, you have a bunch of time, and you only make one project. It's basically like a game jam before the hackathon.
Yeah.
Never looked at it that way.
Me neither. That's certainly something I'm going to think about now.
Yeah. Also, what I realized recently is I always found this annoying. When you're in a community, I never knew how to see, like, like the landing page of a community when you're not in it. It gives a bunch of info. CCEDU has one where it has all their replays and different stuff on it. I never knew how to get that unless you weren't in that community, which normally I'm not, but now I am. For anyone wondering, all you have to do is after ccedu.oyoclass.com/ you then do a view, and that gives you the homepage, which is kind of useful. Yeah, I've always wondered, and you can do that on any community too if you, for some reason, want to view another community's homepage. So yeah, Outbrackets is really taking TSARP content by storm, Hopog by storm. I think everyone's really excited. A lot of people are trying to get that passport prize. A lot of people were saying how now there's a big incentive to try to win. I started working on my game. I'm not gonna give any details away because I'm trying to win this thing. Or actually, I'm not. I'll like to win the whole competition, but my goal is just to win Python because it might be hard to win Python against like a hatch. If I can win Python, that's all that matters. I can say I'm the best Pythoner out of Mineola, Belmore American Hopog.
Andrew, you should try Sprite Editor.
For real though.
Oh my god. How horrific would that be? I saw, I think 2 people who said they're working on Sprite Editor, and like they've already put a lot of really good work in, which I couldn't get in all of the time.
Yeah, me neither.
That just shows my Sprite Editor skills there.
Yeah.
So, I believe that is it for today. Thank you all for listening, and we will see you tomorrow on the 140th, which will leave 10 days to the 150th, which we don't have a lot of plans for yet. So if you guys have any ideas,
Monday, Andrew.
Please tag us. Oh yeah, Monday is the 140th. Please tag us on CodeLI or Twitter if you have any suggestions or ideas on what we could do. We have a few, but it's always great to get, community suggestions. So thank you all for listening. and we will see you on Monday. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.